Grab a Java Coffee Roasters, 7340 Murray. We've been here since 2006 in our roaster's garage, and we're here 9 to 4 on Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. And we've just shut off the coffee roaster. Today we've roasted a whole bunch of fresh coffee. The thing about coffee is it's only fresh for a little while. So when you pull a cinnamon bun out of the oven, it might be good for a day. When you pull a batch of coffee out of the coffee roaster, it takes about 4 weeks for it to lose most of its potential. So, fresh roasted coffee is dry, oily coffee is old. Usually rancid oils too. The difference between fresh coffee and stale coffee is amazing because once you try it, I'm not sure you can go back. So, Grab a Java Coffee Roasting into our 30th year of business here in Mission on Murray in downtown historic Mission.